Alrighty, we're back here at session number 7. It is the 18th of February 2026, and I'm super excited to get into it today. This is for individuals trying to understand the markets, entrepreneurs looking to lower business risk, and then stock promoters, market makers, and the like. Okay. So let's get right into it. A disclaimer here, these videos are all intended for educational purposes only. Trade at your own risk. So we're going to talk about the market feel first, then we're going to get into sector analysis as well as some market move hypotheses, as well as promotion times. If you want to promote your own stocks, you can do that at the end. And then we also have a bonus, the action plan outline. Okay, let's get right into it. I'm gonna pull up the S&P 500 index. So kind of, we didn't break down, so that's good. We're holding off the lows and we're just treading water. So there's a little pullback. I'm going to go ahead and put this as a neutral as we all wait for the grand finale of the earnings, which is going to be NVIDIA. See right at the home screen today at 6:50, stocks rally for a third day as NVIDIA-led AI rebounds, lifts tech despite hawkish Fed minutes and global jitters. Okay. Now let's get into the sector analysis. For this, we're going to jump into Finviz, and I'm actually going to do some sector notes here too, so that I can know what happened the week before as we move forward in these weekly webinars. Okay, so some sector notes here. For this, I'm going to pull up the groups, actually, not the futures, the groups. And while this is loading, I'm gonna pull up some hot charts here. So ATOM, this was on the Friday scans. After having a monster day and closing around 4, it ended up continuing on Monday to rip higher, and then it even continued on Wednesday as well. I guess, oh right, Monday was President's Day, so that's why it's only 2 trading days since last Friday. Okay, so ATOM, that's going to be a stock that we pick here. Now let's get into the groups. So basic materials ripping higher, up 48%. Okay. So, oops. Basic materials up 48% year over year. So that's huge move there. Now let's talk about some of the other charts here. So utilities was up 20% year over year. Tech's only up 16%. Real estate's only up 2%. Industrials is up 30%. Okay, so industrials looks like one of the hotter ones. Energy is also looks like it's high basing at a high level. So I think we like energy, industrials, and utilities. And then real estate probably still looks the worst. Okay, so if we were looking for shorts, it would probably be in real estate. That's pretty much it for the sector notes. Now let's get into stock pick time. Okay, so let's look at the charts. Okay, so ASTI pulled way back from the highs. Let's see, last Wednesday was February 12th, so it's actually sitting at 650. Oh no, yeah, it was the 11th. Okay, so the 11th, it was still looking good, looking like it wanted to break out to new highs, and now it just lost 30% of its value. So that's way cool. I'll take that off the list now. Okay. So that was 211 and now we're at 218. So let's look at some bulls here. Go to the screener. I'm going to start with the day screener. So IBRX looks good. Rackspace looks good. That's a nice kicker pattern today. Yeah, I'm seeing these marine shipping companies pop up, which is interesting. And then, of course, the oil and gas midstream. HT looks good. So there's a narrative out there that has hit software application companies, and it's that they're all going to be replaced by AI, right? I don't know how true that narrative is, but as we all know, sometimes it doesn't matter how true it is, and you just gotta go with what the market's showing you. Okay, IBRX. This is probably the number one bull of the day. Rackspace. So Rackspace announces new strategic partnership with Palantir to deploy and manage Palantir's Foundry and AIP platforms across Rackspace private and sovereign clouds. So that's pretty huge. Including plans to scale its Palantir trained engineering team from 30 to over 250 within 12 months. That's super exciting. No wonder there's a huge jump here. Okay. RXT, I'm going to put it on the list here. And this is the day scanner. AGIG, I'll throw it on the list, even though the chart doesn't really look good. I guess this could have bottomed. Yeah, actually, I'm going to take it off the list. It just doesn't look that good. Let's see if we have any other day trading. It does have a nice continuation pattern. So we'll put it on watch. ANAB still looks pretty good. I don't know about a day trade for this. I'm surprised it's on the day scanners, but I'll just go ahead and close that out. Zip, this is Zip Recruiter. It's gotten crushed recently, down from 550 to 2. And I wonder how accurate this cash position is, but apparently they have a lot of cash on hand. We'll see the balance sheets of 505 million in cash, not really much debt. Oh, they have long-term debt. Okay. That's interesting. Okay. So we can put this on the list as a potential short squeeze is really what that is, because the company itself doesn't really look all that attractive. Digital Bridge, Apparel, so not really that interested. ASC, yeah, this is more of like a day trade. It does have some earnings. ASC, so that's the first shipping one we're going to add on here. GNK, very similar play to ASC. We'll go keep that off the list though. LPG looks like a breakout pattern. Looks pretty good. It's in the oil and gas space. Got a low forward P to E. DHT still looks good. We've been tracking this for a while. That's more of a swing trade. Okay. So TK, we'll pull up the TK chart because we highlighted that. We were in a trade for that. So it's still looking pretty good. Still looking good. TK, DHT. This does kind of look like it's bull flagging, but let's check out the volume. Yeah, the volume's not there. It looks pretty thinly traded. We go ahead and take that off the list and replace it with LPG. And So we can keep TK on there, and DHT, we'll add that one. NG is not Noble Gold. I think I was looking at New Gold. Maybe not though. Okay, so NG has pulled back. It's a good consolidation point. It's actually a good buy point. It's up 229% on the year, so it's been ripping, but still looking good. I'm going to go ahead and close out some of these charts now. Just keep open the really good looking ones. Atom looks a little bit extended now, but that would be a good day trade one. So I'm going to replace it with Atom. Let's placeholder there. Swing scan. Those are some good swings. Although, so AXTI was in the tech sector, and we really didn't think that that was really trending a lot higher. So I'm going to go ahead and replace that with an oil and gas, NAT, right? So we're heavy with the oil and gas here, and the bulls on the swing scan. FSLY looks good. Breaking out the highs. CMPS, this also looks pretty good. I was in for a trade on Tuesday when the markets opened at 7 pre-market. So that's looking really good right now. Still like it. ALLO, still looking good. ALLO, still looking good. And that's it for the day scanner, the swing scanner, and the convexity screener. Now let's get into market promotion time. If you have your ticker, security, hypothesis, timeframes, key levels, and trade strategy. So if anybody has any stock promotions, go ahead and shout them out. Otherwise, I'll get into the action plan, bonus action plan outline. So first would be to calculate risk, then skew the odds in your favor. Look for asymmetrical bets. You can do this with the options markets. If you don't know how to do this, book your call on FridayTraders.com and we'll walk you through these options trades. Okay. Step 3 is to actually make the trade. A lot of people go through all the research and they never do this last step. Okay. You got to make the trade. So there were no comments about stock promotions. If anybody has any general questions, here's the format for those. Just give your name, the style of trading you're looking to pursue, experience level, current challenge, and an example is this right here. Hi, I'm Dave, 20 years experience, don't know how to tell the leader in AI. Okay, so that's really it unless somebody has a question. Go ahead and rattle it off. Okay, hearing none, so I'm going to go ahead and save these slides as the 218 slides. And this is session number 7. So that'll be the first one. We're actually documenting that. And that's it for this live webinar session. I will see you all next week. See you then.